Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aksha Bhati from the Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Students, today we discuss about preparation of candy from the course Food Processing and Safety Standards from the semester 8th. Students, as you know, candy is made by dissolving sugar in water or milk to form a syrup which is boiled until it reaches the desired concentration or starts to caramelize. What is caramelize? Caramelize का मतलब होता है जब शुगर की जब कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होती है और आफ्टर हीटिंग उसमें ब्राउनिंग आके एक सॉलिड कण से बन जाते हैं. दिस इज नोन कैरमलाइज. The type of candy depends on the ingredients and how too long the mixture is boiled. Candy comes in a wide variety of textures, from food and chewy to hard and brittle. Various candies, hard candies, jelly beans, gumdrops, taffy, liqueurs, cotton candy, chocolates and chocolate truffles, draggies, fudge, caramel candy, and toffee. Then candy is also a second time glazed candy जिसे कहते हैं. Covering of candied fruits, vegetables with a thin transparent coating of sugar which imparts them a glossy appearance is known as glazing. Cane sugar and water 2:1 by weight are boiled in a steam pan at 113 to 114 degrees centigrade and the scum is removed as it comes up. Thereafter, the syrup is cooled at 93 degrees centigrade and rubbed with a wooden ladle on the side of the pan, and granulated sugar is obtained. Dried candy fruits are passed through this granulated portion of the sugar solution one by means of fork or any other things and placed on trays in a warm dry room. They may also be dried in a dryer at the temperature 49 degrees centigrade for 2 to 3 hours. When they become crisp, they are packed in airtight containers फॉर स्टोरेज. अगर हम उसको एयर टाइटनर कंटेनर्स में नहीं करेंगे तो ड्यू टू मॉइस्चर उसका क्रिस्पी जो क्रिस्पी नेचर आ रहा है वो उसका खत्म हो जाएगा. Then second is crystallized candy. Candied fruits, vegetables when covered or crystal with crystals of sugar or by rolling in finely powdered sugar or by allowing sugar crystals to deposit on them from a dense syrup are called crystallized fruits. The candied fruits are placed on a wire mesh tray which is placed in a deep vessel. Cool syrup, approx 70% TSS, is gently poured over the fruit so that it cover the entirely. The whole mass is left undisturbed for 12 to 18 hours, during which a thin coating of crystallized sugar is formed. The tray is taken out carefully from the vessel and syrup drained off. The fruits are then placed in a single layer on wire mesh trays and dried at room temperature or at about 49 degrees centigrade to dryers. This is all about two types of candies. If we come to candy preparation process, then you can see in this the dipping alternately in 2% solution of alum solution for 24 hours, then soaking in cold water, then blanching for 15 minutes, removal of seeds segments, taking equal part of sugar, preparing equal parts of sugar and water syrup after heating, then steeping. Remaining sugars is separated in 3 equal parts. One part of sugar added to the above reduction, then वापस steeping 4 to 5 times. Then this fruit segments are steeped and then remained. Then it at dry at a cabinet dryer or in room temperature, it becomes candy. देन शुगर स्टेजेस. इन कैंडी के अंदर शुगर स्टेजेस का बहुत ज्यादा रोल है. देर आर 8 टाइप ऑफ शुगर स्टेजेस. फर्स्ट इज थ्रेड, जिसे हम सिरप कहते हैं, जिसको हम 110 टू 112 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे और 80% TSS पे रखते हैं. देन सॉफ्ट बॉल, फॉर्म बॉल, हार्ड बॉल, नगेट्स जिसे कहते हैं, सॉफ्ट क्रैक, सॉल्ट वाटर टैफी, टॉफी, हार्ड क्रैक जो होती हैं, देन क्लियर लिक्विड जिसमें TSS 100% होता है, ब्राउन लिक्विड जिसे हम लिक्विड कैरेमल्स कहते हैं, देन बर्न शुगर जो सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर पे बनती है. These are the types of candies and sugar types stages. तो हम इस पे डिपेंड करता है कि हम कैसी कैंडी बना रहे हैं. This is all about preparation of candy. So the class is concluded today. I believe you have understood well. This session was empowered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.